as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Lido DAO is $2, and LDO is buy and buy position no. 33 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Lido DAO is 823,970,809 LDO, with a market cap of $1,649,978,063.94. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 8 cents in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, LDO has been in a decent vertical pattern, consequently expanding by 2.29%. Lido DAO has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of LDO has expanded by 112.01%, adding an epic typical measure of $2.24 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now on the off chance that it keeps on developing. Lido DAO Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Lido DAO costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Lido DAO will be $2.75. The greatest level that the LDO cost can reach is $3.32. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $2.85. Likely return on initial capital investment, 68.5% by LDO value gauge for January 2023 in view of the value vacillations of Lido DAO toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical LDO pace of $2.08 in January 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $1.88 and at $2.14 individually. Possible return for capital invested, 8.6% by February 2023. Lido DAO Value Conjecture digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the LDO cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $2.08, while the greatest could reach $2.24 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Lido DAO may be around $2.16. Expected return for capital invested, 13.7% by LDO Value Conjecture for WALK 2023. Crypto experts have really looked at the value changes of Lido DAO in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal LDO rate they anticipate may be around $2.25 in WALK 2023. It can drop to $2.15 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $2.33. Possible return for money invested, 18.3% by April 2023. Lido DAO Value Conjecture around mid-year 2022. The LDO cost will be exchanged at $2.32 by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Lido DAO worth to $2.44. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $2.24 in April 2023. Expected return on initial capital investment, 23.9% by LDO value gauge for May 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Lido DAO costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $2.39. The most minimal and top LDO rates may be $2.31 and $2.53. Possible return on initial capital investment, 28.4% by June 2023. Lido DAO Value Estimate. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the LDO cost will be around $2.46. In June 2023, the Lido DAO cost might drop to at least $2.36. The normal pinnacle worth may be $2.63 in June 2023. Likely return for capital invested, 33.5% by LDO value figure for July 2023. Having dissected Lido DAO costs, digital money specialists expect that the LDO rate could arrive at a limit of $2.73 in July 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $2.46. For July 2023, the estimated normal of Lido DAO is almost $2.56. Possible return on initial capital investment, 38.6% by August 2023. Lido DAO Value Conjecture around mid-2022. The Lido DAO cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $2.63. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the LDO cost could change somewhere in the range of $2.53 and $2.83. Likely return for capital invested, 43.7% by LDO value figure for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Lido DAO worth won't dip under at least $2.59. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is $2.96. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $2.69. Likely return on initial capital investment, 50.3% by October 2023. Lido DAO Value Gauge. Cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of LDO costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Lido DAO will be around $3.10, with a chance of dropping to at least $2.64. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $2.74. LDO value estimate for November 2023. In view of the value changes of Lido DAO toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical LDO pace of $2.79 in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $2.71 and at $3.21. Separately, December 2023, Lido DAO value estimate. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the LDO cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $2.75, while the greatest could reach $3.32 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Lido DAO may be around $2.85. Lido DAO Value Forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Lido DAO in earlier years, it is expected that in 2024, the base cost of Lido DAO will be around $4.27. The most extreme expected LDO cost might be around $4.84. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $4.39 in 2024. Lido DAO Value Forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Lido DAO in 2025, LDO is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $6.16 and $7.27. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $6.38. Lido DAO Value Forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Lido DAO and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base LDO cost could drop to $9.56, while its greatest can reach $10.86. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $9.82. Lido DAO Value Expectation 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Lido DAO by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least LDO costs are normal in 2027, $16.54 and $14.20. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $14.69. Lido DAO Value Forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the vacillations of Lido DAO. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical LDO cost will be around $20.73. It could drop to at least $19.99, yet it actually could reach $24.66 all through 2028. Lido DAO Value Forecast 2029. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready conjectures at the cost of Lido DAO. It is assessed that LDO will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $28.14 and $34.56 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $28